What's up guys? Andito po tayo sa Toledo train station ng Napoli. Isang napakaganda pong istasyon ng Napoli.
Wow!
Ito po mapapansin ninyo, isang kamangha-manghang napakagandang design ng ilalim ng station.
Have passed by since I held you close to me.
Bellissimo.
If I could see that smile,
Alam niyo, napakasaya po
know that I could